G'day, welcome. Look, I know that there's a lot of uncertainty out there at the moment, and I know that a lot of people are confused by what's going on. So I just wanted to put together this quick video just to put things in perspective and just let you know how I see things going forward. Now, look, I guess there's been so much happened in the last few weeks. We've had the outcome of the UK referendum, the Brexit vote. You've seen what's happened in the Australian election. You look in the US, there is the realistic possibility that Donald Trump could end up as president. It's just amazing. These are all things that are symptomatic of the masses around the world have just lost confidence and trust in the ruling elite. They've lost confidence in the financial system. The banking system in Europe is just about on its knees. It really is a disaster zone over there. So it all adds up to a great deal of uncertainty and a great deal of fear. You've only just got to look at why people are prepared to put money into government bonds around the world and receive either a zero interest rate or even a negative interest rate. You look at why so much money is flowing into gold and silver and stocks now that they're absolutely rocketing up. You've just got to step back and look at all those things and ask yourself the question whether all is well. And central banks have been trying to tell us since the GFC that they've got everything under control and there's no problem. But look, this is just all not correct, and you've just got to look at all the indicators around the world to understand that that's the case. Over the last couple of years, I've been saying that a major systemic collapse was inevitable thanks to central bank policy. But at the same time, I said that that wasn't on the horizon, that it was probably at least 5 to 10 years away and possibly longer. But I think events of the last few months have brought that timetable forward by a considerable amount. Now, I don't know how things are going to play out and when they're going to get ugly, but I just know that that's the inevitable outcome. There is going to be a major system reset of some sort. Now, that could be another GFC or worse. It could be a complete financial system collapse. I just don't know, but certainly the indicators suggest to me very strongly that it's an inevitable outcome. So central banks have been spinning us this illusion, and I think increasingly people are just not buying it. So this is a critical time, I believe, for you to review your financial plans with a view to making sure that you protect what you've got, first of all, and secondly, take advantage of some of the wonderful opportunities that are out there. Even in a major panic scenario, there are terrific opportunities. And if you look at the last 3 or 4 months, there's been a huge opportunity to make profit in the precious metals sector. Personally, I've done well. Members of Special Share Education have done very well. And we've been positioned, quite nicely in advance, because these things, if you're looking at the indicators as I do, as closely as I do, these things aren't all that hard to pick in advance. So I see a major period of tremendous opportunity ahead, but it's not going to be easy. It's going to be, I think the process is quite straightforward about how you handle it. But the emotional part of it is going to be extremely challenging for most people. So, I understand the uncertainty that's out there. I really do get that. And as a consequence, I know that people are struggling and they're confused. So I want to be able to assist in whatever way that I can. And so what I'm offering is my services as a sounding board, as an information source. So my offer is just to talk to me, because I can provide a perspective for you on what's going on around the world and what opportunities that you may have. And that should lead you to being able to make better decisions. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, take advantage of all my years of experience, then drop me an email and we can set up a time to talk, and hopefully I can give you some good forward guidance. That's it for now. Cheers.